the potential uses of technology to enable the protection and distribution of understanding of heritage, both tangible and intangible, is obviously enormous, and it's a great opportunity to come and learn. I'm Peter Stone from the UK. I'm the UNESCO Chair in Cultural Property Protection and Peace at Newcastle University. I think this is a wonderful event. As school students or university students, you have a tremendous opportunity to engage in a way with heritage and the past that people of my generation had absolutely no chance to do. You have an understanding of the technology that can enhance understanding and that can spread understanding. Used carefully and used well, that's a fantastic opportunity.
انت generate ideas او potential solutions. يعني انت في اول مرحله خالص discover و define you still بتحاول انت بس define problem. في ال develop بتعمل ideation او بتgenerate ideas او solutions للبروبلمز اللي انت عملتها definition.
طبعا النهارده في ورشه العمل لتوثيق التراث الحضاري للبدو في مصر. انا طبعا بشكر المجموعه المنظمه مجموعه IEEE في كليه هندسه جامعه اسكندريه. هم بصراحه اثبتوا ان هم بروفيشنال جدا.
احنا في IEEE هدفنا ان احنا to advance technology for humanity. تجربه زي السمر سكولز بتاعت الهلالي كانت تجربه كويسه ان احنا نقدر ندعمها ونكون بارتنرز في ايفنت زي ده.